Today we are going to be making a wedding arch for my brother's wedding, and we're going to be using some copper tubing. As you can see here, this is one of our test runs. It didn't turn out super great. I tried just using a manual conduit bender. We got a little bit kinking. We didn't get a very consistent radius. So we're gonna use some heavy duty U-groove wheels and some steel stock to create our own tube bender. We have everything designed up in Fusion 360. So we took some measurements. Now we're going to measure up the steel and then cut it to length.
We're having an issue where the maximum height of this center wheel isn't enough to get a tube nicely between all the wheels because the tube sits up in the groove a little bit. It doesn't sit flush against the bottom. But if we cut away this a little bit, then we'll have extra space for the heads of these bolts. Hopefully that'll give us enough clearance for this to work.
We made a fully self-supported circle out of copper tubing. It took us 4 10-foot pipes to make the structure, including the stand for it. The radius is about 3¼ feet, meaning it stands about 6½ feet tall. We also ended up using 8-gauge grounding wire in 2 spots along the sides to secure dried florals in coils as little finishing touches. We needed this to be easy to transport in our minivan, so it comes apart in 2 sections right down the middle and is joined by couplers when we set it up. The copper tarnishes pretty easily, so we gave it a good buff with steel wool on the day of the ceremony. Okay, I'm trying to balance this with this other side, so something like that. Overall, we're really happy with the way it turned out, and more importantly, the bride liked it too.